Alright guys, we are back with another video, and today we are installing solar panels on these Ring cameras. Customer is getting a little bit old and shaky, he's tired of climbing the ladder and recharging the batteries. So I recommend that we install solar. That way he never have to go on that ladder again and recharge these battery. The sun will charge the battery for him throughout the day, and at night it will use the battery, and in the daytime again it recharges. So it's the best option for this customer. So right here I'm showing you that the panel come with two different types of charging adapter. One is a USB-C adapter, and also one has that, I think it's a 1.4 millimeter, that round circle, whatever size it is. But some cameras carry that little round circle that you could just stick in the back, and some carry a USB-C. If you carry a USB-C, we just put in the adapter. That is it. So right here we're removing the camera, and we're going to install the mount. Now this is a special mount that we're going to use to mount the solar panel, and also we're going to mount the camera on the same mount. You see how that look, guys? It just look pretty. Yeah, it's the front of the house. He has direct sunlight here at the front of the house, so we can use this type of mount for this application. Now on the side of the house we have another camera. This one we can't use that fancy mount. We have to just mount the panel on the side of the house separately from the camera, and then we route the cable into the back of the camera, and that's just the application we have to use in this case. Alright, so now we're on camera number 3. This camera is located in the back of the yard, and this also has direct sunlight, which is good. So we are putting the mount together for the solar panel, and we took down the camera. See that little round thing I was talking about, guys? Yep. So this camera, we could just plug that in right in. We don't need the USB-C adapter for this type of camera. Alright, so now we're going to go on the ladder, and we're going to put that panel all the way at the top at the side of the house. We always want to put these panels in direct sunlight. Sometimes you might not have the option to do that, but always look for the best location for some kind of sunlight. Alright, so now we're on camera number 4, last camera. Now this camera is not in direct sunlight. Alright, so we pre-drill a hole now to put the mount up, and normally we put the anchors in, but in this case I didn't have to, because this is a wood structure at the top and it has stucco, and the stucco is only 1/2 inch. So we use a longer screw, and the screw will catch the wood in the back, and that's how it gets to be anchored correctly. So now we're just putting up the solar panel. We tighten the screws on the back of the mount. We're going to plug the camera in and then put it back up. Now guys, remember I told you this is not in direct sunlight. I have no option. So the only sun that this is going to get is the morning sun, because that's facing the east and the sun rises in the east. So we get the morning sun. That's about it, guys. These are the finished product. That's what the front camera looks like. Let me show you the side camera. That's what that looks like. This get the best sunlight. This one on the side, morning, noon, and night. And then we have camera number 3 right here. Alright, this is the one that's not going to get good sunlight, but then we have camera 4. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We out.